Fall is here, hear the yell, back to school, ring the bell, brand new shoes, walking blue, climb the fence, books and pens, I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Yes, I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Walk with me, Susie Lee, through the park and by the trees. We can rest upon the ground and look at all the bugs we found. Safely walk to school without a sound. Safely walk to school without a sound. Here we are, no one else. We walk to school all by ourselves. There's dirt on our uniforms from chasing all the ants and worms. We cleaned up and now it's time to learn. We cleaned up and now it's time to learn. Numbers, letters, learn to spell, nouns and books and show and tell. At playtime we'll throw the ball and back to class and through the hall. Teacher marks our hide against the wall. Teacher marks our hide against the wall. We don't notice any time pass. We don't notice anything. We sit side by side in every class. Teacher thinks that I sound funny, but she likes it when you sing. Tonight I'll dream while in my bed, while silly thoughts all through my head about the bugs and alphabet. And when I wake tomorrow, I'll bet you and I will walk together again. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. I can tell that we are gonna be friends.